Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about none other than Bonk itself. If you guys are enjoying these updates, you guys know what to do at this point. But yeah, let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the overall market still, you're seeing quite a bit of red across the board, but nothing major in terms of, significant pullbacks. Just minor pullbacks, but due to the fact that, we are seeing the dominance index picking up. And obviously that is a huge catalyst behind, this lag that we're seeing. But if we're looking at Bonk, it's only down about 0.3% on the daily time frame. So, as far as the price is concerned, pretty much where we were yesterday. But we're going to talk about, of course, as we know, today is the last day of the month, how I personally would like to see Bonk perform. Yeah, let's get right into it. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So why is the price of Bonk seeing significant pullbacks? Of course, we had that discussion in our previous update if you did end up watching that, but I will kind of go over a little bit more in this update, and we're going to talk about the price and, of course, what I would personally like to see Bonk do, as we are going into the month of June. But if we're looking at the price, 33.77, still 4 zeros in front of the price, up 0.1% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. We're seeing a little bit of retracement in BTC comparative, about 0.4%. So nothing major. As far as market valuation is concerned, 2.25 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume sitting at $671.8 million. So let's get right into it. One thing I want you guys to pay very close attention to is this. As you guys know, before I even share this stuff with you, as you know, I am someone that keeps it 100%. If I don't like something, I'm going to be straight up. I don't care what other people think. That's literally it. But if you've been watching my Bonk updates, there's one specific thing that I've really gave them praise about as far as the team is concerned. They care about the community. And caring about the community goes a long way. Personally, for me, that I take a look at that big time. Usually in this day and age, like I said, so many meme coins. As we are recording this video, there's probably like 100 meme coins that are launching just within this time frame. But most of them care about themselves, right? These devs, they don't care about the community, and then they end up rugging the projects, and we see this on a continuous basis. And this is why it's so important, if you're looking at some random coin that just launched out of thin air, understand how the meme coin market works. Not everything is going to get to the levels like these meme coins that we discuss. And even these meme coins that we discuss, as I've been quite clear with you guys before, after this bull market is done, only I think a handful of them are going to be here in terms of staying in this market. But one thing about Bonk is they care about the community, and they do a lot of events, and I got to give them props to that. And community members can kind of engage, get to meet one another, learn more, and just connect, become friends and stuff. And that's part of the game. And on top of that, Bonk is one of the very few meme coins in terms of the top meme coins in existence with actually some sort of a utility. So that is obviously a cherry on top. But the way they do their, interaction, the way they actually do their planning, I got to give them props. And I think this is the reason as to why Bonk has the chance to become the largest meme coin. I know the battle seems tight right now with Dog with Hat, but if I were to choose, I would go with Bonk over Dog with Hat, and that has nothing to do. Don't take this personally. And if when you start taking things personal, that means you are emotionally attached to your coin. My opinion might not come to be true. Maybe Dog with Hat could be the biggest one, but I'm just basing it off of what I see. And a lot of people share the same, opinion as me as far as Bonk is concerned. But one thing I want everyone to understand is it's just not Bonk that's seeing the retracement. Pretty much look at the last 24 hours. We are seeing quite a bit of retracement within the markets. Nothing major, but basically try to understand that it's just not Bonk that's seeing these performances. But take a look at this. Dominance picking up. This right here is a huge catalyst, believe it or not. And that is causing that lag. But Bitcoin is looking amazing. And I kind of had that discussion in my Pepe update if you did end up watching that. If not, Bitcoin is sitting at $68,314, and we're going into Friday morning. And I still have this gut feeling whales will push up the price of Bitcoin above $70,000 just so it can close the daily candle. I'm sorry, not the daily candle, just so it can close a monthly candle above 70K. And that will be big. So hopefully my prediction comes true. Let's see. Obviously, we are going to see time really tell us how that works. But let's take a look at what's happening with Bonk and how I personally wanted to perform. So as of now, I'm really impressed. And I just want you guys to focus on the daily time frame. So since yesterday we discussed this, that exact same support line is coming as a huge level of support for us. And right now, as of recording this update, that's exactly where you're finding Bonk sitting. Literally right at that support line. So we did not go below that. We did not retest the 3140 zone. So again, great. But it's really important at the same time you do see Bonk closing its monthly candle either above this or at this support line, and I think that would be great. But what if, of course, people are going to come out and question, and questions are great. If you're questioning, absolutely amazing. So there will be someone that are going to come out and say, hey, Crypto ZX, what if we do end up losing the support and retest the next major support line, which we know the importance of the support line at 29.47. And again, that is a possibility. If that even happens, what if I told you we're still in this upward trend, higher high, higher low? As long as this support plays out for us, which I expect it to, because of course this was a huge resistance for us for quite some time, and I do expect this to be a major support line in case we were to see a little bit of a shakeup for the entire market, whales come and manipulate the markets. That could also happen. If that were to happen, I do expect that this support will hold for Bonk. But that's how I'm currently analyzing the charts of Bonk. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Do not forget how good it's performing since April 14th. A lot of people tend to forget that, and this is where you could really see the market greed. The easiest way to check market greed, of course, uncertainty around these levels. Not many people were even paying attention to it. Only a few percentage of people are accumulating the bloodbath. And as you guys know, there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. The ones that were being greedy around here, while there was so much fear across the board, guess what? They're the real winners. Believe it or not, those people that were accumulating at that point are the real winners. And if you really want to put that price into consideration, that's a 164% move if you picked it up at that range, and that's after a pullback. And you can't time the top. If anyone's going to come out and tell me, hey, Crypto ZX, I'm perfect at timing the top, no one can do that. You can have an idea, you can kind of be close, but it's really rare to actually mark the top. So that's how I would like to personally see Bonk perform. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. And of course, if you want to see more updates, other projects that you guys want me to cover and analyze, you guys know what to do. Let me know that down below in the comments. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's update. Thank you so much for all your support as always. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.